Today we are learning about the uh, sodium borohydride. The sodium borohydride having structure in this way. Okay, this is a sodium borohydride structure. Okay, this is a sodium borohydride structure. Now this sodium borohydride has a boron having 4 hydrogen atom attached to it, and sodium is positive ion is attached to it. Okay, boron has a negative charge on it. Okay, boron has negative charge on it. Okay, negative charge on it. Now you have to understand that this is a covalently bonded boron and hydrogen is covalently bonded, so they can remove itself as a hydride ion. Okay, hydride ion बोल के ही बाहर निकलते हैं. So that hydride ion attack on the carbonyl group, that is delta positive or delta negative of the oxygen. Okay, this carbonyl group, this is a weak one. Okay, so it will be hydride attached to the this carbon, and the shared pair of electron in between them that will transfer to the oxygen. जैसे ही ये ट्रांसफर होता है ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर शेयर पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, the boron will attach to the oxygen and there will be the formation of such a moiety will take place. Now this is a one of the moiety. Okay, and having nitrogen. Okay, sorry, sodium is here. Okay, this is a sodium is here. Now this hydride having 3 hydrides are there. Okay, 3 hydrogens are there, so we are reacting multiple time this substrate. Okay, this is a ketone substrate. Okay, this will react another molecule with this complex. Okay, first one. Okay, it will be converted into the second one. Same way, this hydride from this hydride from this will attack on the or goes to the this carbonyl carbon, and there will be the formation of such a 2 compounds. Okay, 2 compounds. In the same way, the reaction will happen with third part. Okay, up to third part, that is another substrate will come, and that same substrate will come and attach with the this boron hydride group will attack on the this carbonyl carbon, and there will be the formation of same moiety have third. Okay, 3 molecules are there. Okay, now same way, whenever we are seeking for this hydrogen, okay, this hydride will consider for up to 4. Okay, because there are the 4 hydrogen with the um, 4 hydrogen with the this sodium borohydride. Okay, sodium borohydride. Now this is sodium borohydride, completely one complex will form with the 4 molecules, and this will be undergoes the hydrolysis, and hydrolysis we are getting the alcohol. In case of aldehyde, it will give the primary alcohol. In case of ketone, it will give the secondary alcohol. This is a barium hydroxide, sorry, boron trihydroxide, and this is a NaOH. Okay, this will be the this is the mechanism of sodium borohydride reaction. Sorry, reduction reaction. Okay, reduction reaction. This is the one class of our sodium borohydride reaction. We will see the simultaneously the lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so we will see the lithium aluminum hydride. Now lithium aluminum hydride has a Li. Okay, having positive charge on it, then it will be at this is the aluminum hydride is here. Okay, Al is attached to the 4 hydrogen with covalently bonded to each other and having negative charge on it. The hydride group. Okay, this is a hydride group. I showed that the hydride group having attack on the this carbonyl carbon, and this carbon will be attached in and as the hydride group is attached to the carbonyl carbon, the shared pair of electron in between C and O will transfer to the oxygen, and there will the formation of such a moiety will take place. The lithium have a positive charge. Okay, and stabilize these molecules, and these molecules undergoes the another substrate. Okay, react with the another substrate, and same way there will be the formation of 2 molecules of that one. This is the first one, then second one, then third one. Okay, same way it will go up to the fourth. Okay, because there are the 4 hydrogen with the aluminum. Okay, with the aluminum. Now Now this will be the undergoes the hydrolysis. After hydrolysis, we will get the aluminum trioxide and lithium hydroxide, lithium hydroxide or aluminum hydroxide. Okay, and we are getting the our alcohol. Okay, alcohol that may be the primary, that may be the secondary alcohol. Okay, that may be the primary or secondary alcohol. This is the mechanism behind the metal hydrides. Okay, metal hydride reduction reaction, metal hydrides reduction reaction. Okay, now